Good morning, YouTube and puppies. Still playing on the water bottles I give you guys. Today I gotta clean up the area. There's a lot of stains. But I don't got a pressure washer, so I gotta use the regular water hose and a push broom. Better than nothing. Get 'em, get 'em, get 'em, puppies. Get them water bottles. This is the getaway to get dogs toys. Cause I'm broke. I don't got enough subscribers or no likes. I'm a broke motherfucker. So I can let the puppies play with water bottles. Hey, you be nice. I'm sorry daddy's broke. You guys gotta play with water bottles. But it's still fun, right? Damn, she's mean. Leave your brother alone. Be nice to your brother. BBs. Hey, you be nice. Little girl. You love biting my shoes. That's what you want, huh? You just want to bite my shoes.